Apply D-Seal to both sides of nut channel on the bottom of all extensions. Next, apply D-Seal to both ends of side extensions, allowing room to slide hardware into both nut channels. Then apply side seal to both ends of the front and rear extensions. Trim side seals to open top and bottom nut channels. Insert hardware into bottom nut channel. Bolt L brackets at all factory blind holes. Align bolts in front extension with factory holes, then center extension on box. Finger tighten washers, lock washers, and nuts. Insert hardware into top nut channel of front extension for end caps. Then align bolts on side extension with factory holes. Then adjust side extension until flush with outside edge of front extension. Finger tighten washers, lock washers, and nuts. Ensure slots in large corner brace line up with nut channel in side extension. Then position small corner brace. Ensure corner braces are flush with top of extensions and use clamp to hold in place. Using corner braces as a guide, drill holes through extension. Secure with carriage bolts, washers, lock washers, and nuts, leaving finger tight. Repeat for opposite side. Insert hardware into top nut channel of rear extension for end caps. Align bolts in rear extension with factory holes. Finger tighten washers, lock washers, and nuts. Repeat corner brace mounting to secure both rear corners. Note bow locations as needed. Add weld nuts and nut channel seal into top channel of side extensions, alternating so there is seal between each bow. Ensuring all extensions are level, tighten all hardware. Using L brackets as guide, drill hole at each location and secure with carriage bolts, washers, lock washers, and nuts.